Welcome to spring 2021, the year after the year everything changed. 2020 was wild. First of all, Levon showed up. We opened a second compost site in Groton, Massachusetts, and world events really validated our mission, which is to collect food scraps from homeowners and convert them into a nutrient-rich compost that can be used to grow food. And so many people last year, farmers, homeowners, community gardens, wanted to grow food with our compost, and it was amazing to see. This is the Manchester by the Sea compost site on March 30th, 2021. We are hard at work getting your compost ready. This is the new Groton, Mass compost site on March 31st, 2021. The compost is cooking. We have a wider delivery range because of the new site in Groton, Mass this year. We are delivering compost. We are delivering our soil blends. And we are delivering our raised bed kits, which are made to be easy for you to install yourself. Or you can have our crew come out and build and fill your bed. Our crew is doing installs over a wider range this year as well. We worked hard to keep the price of the raised beds affordable. We increased the price by 13% despite that wood prices have doubled this year. We were able to buy wholesale. These are the raised beds right here. This year for your voucher, you're gonna print it out. Last year we had a lot of people throw them away as junk mail. So you're gonna print your voucher and you can bring it to a garden center. So we're doing vegetable starts again this year. You can get them delivered with your soil, compost, or 10 bags. They are grown by Cedar Rock Gardens. There's gonna be about 20 plants for $21. And there's 2 sweet peas, 2 kale, 6 spinach, 2 lettuce, 4 leeks, 1 cabbage, 1 parsley, and 1 cilantro. So the goal here is to give you a bunch of items that are really productive in your garden. Greens are great because you can come out in the summer and pick them and bring them in for dinner. And herbs are great because they take the mineral content out of the soil and puts it into your family. We have an automatic watering kit this year with drip tape. So this connects to your outdoor spigot with a timer, and you can set it to apply water to your bed as needed. And this will help you get through the drought. In 2020, we had 2 long spells of droughts. This is an experiment. So it's a small greenhouse that can go over your bed and can help you get season extension in the fall. And what we might try is in September, we might ask everyone who wants one, and then we'll deliver them all at once. And you can put it up and help you keep greens going through the fall. A couple tips. One is don't let soil ride up here, or else it's gonna keep the wood moist from the outside. Number 2, if you got our raised bed soil blend, you will never need to replace this soil. This will last longer than all of us. It's a sandy loam, and so that means it drains well and resists compaction. Each year, you can refresh the nutrients in it with 2 to 4 bags of black earth per 4x8 bed. Spread the bags out, blend it into the top 3-4 inches, and then you're good to plant. Lastly, just want to talk about watering real quick. Obviously we have the automatic watering kit, but when you're in the height of summer, when you water the bed, you want to go over the whole thing once, and then immediately after go over it again. And if you do use mulch, don't water the mulch, water under the mulch. Stick it under, get the soil wet. The mulch doesn't need to get wet. And new this year, we have chicken treats. They are black soldier fly larvae, and you can get them at select garden centers. Chickens love them. They're really nutritious. All right, thanks for watching our video. Happy spring.